Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Pixel Flow update stuck on waiting or not even showing up in the App Store? Here's how to force it through. First, open the App Store and tap on your profile picture at the top right corner. Pull down on that screen to force a refresh of available updates. Then look for Pixel Flow in the list and tap Update if it appears. If the update is stuck on waiting, tap and hold the Pixel Flow icon on your home screen. Tap Pause Download, then tap it again and tap Resume Download to restart it. After that, if it keeps failing, go to your settings, then go to General, then go to iPhone Storage, and make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes of free space since update fails silently when storage is too low. Free up space while offloading unused apps and retry. Also, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data before retrying if the download keeps on sailing, and that's it. All you've got to do is App Store pull to refresh, pause and resume if stuck, free up storage, try mobile data, Pixel Flow updates, and that's it. Subscribe.